This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. This saves time later. Check age, residency, and that the vehicle is an approved EV with a valid VIN. Next, gather ID, a current utility bill, proof of income, and insurance. Scan or photograph each clearly. Then create your government portal account, set a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication so you can complete verification steps without delay. Once done, sign in immediately to start the online application process. You now work through the main form. Enter vehicle details precisely, VIN, make, model, and purchase or delivery date, because small errors cause rejections. Upload your documents as PDF or JPEG, keep files under 5 MB, and label them so reviewers find everything fast. Then select whether you want a rebate or low-interest loan, enter bank account information for direct deposit, and confirm calculation totals. Make sure to review each field slowly. Inconsistent dates or mismatched names are frequent reasons applications stall. You finish by reviewing the full application summary and applying your digital signature. Then submit and save the confirmation number. Monitor the portal dashboard for status updates and respond to any document requests promptly, typically within 7 to 10 days. If you receive a rejection, read the error code message, correct the specific field, re-upload the corrected documents, and immediately call support with your confirmation ID. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched names between documents cause most denials, so harmonize spellings before resubmitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.